Former Prime Minister Imran Khan, illegally incarcerated now for 291 days, has asked the Supreme Court to stream the NAB amendments case live, in which he's a petitioner and representing himself. Mr. Khan is due to appear through video link on May 30th in the Supreme Court from the Adiala jail. While the Supreme Court has streamed all the hearings in this case live, the controversial Chief Justice blocked the streaming last week to prevent Mr. Khan's appearance before the public. Mr. Khan hasn't been seen in public since he was taken into custody. Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, the party of former Prime Minister Imran Khan, has said the assassination attempt on its Information Secretary Rauf Hassan is terrorism, while demanding a judicial commission and joint investigation team to probe the attack. Mr. Rauf Hassan survived an attack on Tuesday captured on CCTV in the highly secured capital Islamabad. Barrister Gohar Ali Khan, the party's interim chairman, called on the Supreme Court to form a judicial commission, while including terrorism charges in the first information report. Journalist bodies in Pakistan are in an uproar as Pakistan's military-backed regime cracks down further on independent media. The military-controlled Pakistan Electronic Media Regulatory Authority has called on media houses not to report any court case. The ban comes after the military has blocked access to social media platform Twitter, widely used by Pakistanis for access to independent news. Pakistan's economic collapse continues as the latest data reveals high unemployment, poverty, and slow growth. According to a recent report, this is the second consecutive year of low growth coupled with higher inflation as a result of political instability after Imran Khan's government was overthrown in a soft coup. The average inflation rate during the first 10 months of this fiscal year remained at 26%. The World Bank estimates Pakistan's poverty rate at nearly 40% and fears that another 10 million people may slip below the poverty threshold this year. The UN Agency for Palestinian Refugees, UNRWA, says that food distribution in Gaza's southern city of Rafah has been suspended due to a lack of supplies and insecurity in the densely populated city. UNRWA said in a statement on X on Tuesday that only 7 of its 24 health centers were operational and that it had not received any medical supplies in the past 10 days due to, quote, closures and disruptions at the Rafah and the Karim Abu Salim, known in Israel as Kerem Shalom, crossings into Gaza. The humanitarian situation in the besieged territory has worsened since Israel seized and closed the Palestinian side of the Rafah land crossing with Egypt earlier this month. At least 35,709 people have been killed and 79,990 wounded in Israeli attacks on Gaza since October 7th.